How to remove the screen lock on an Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the screen lock on your Realme phone. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. Next, tap Security and Privacy. Then select Lock Screen Password, Screen Lock, or Device Unlocking, depending on your device model. Then select Screen Lock and enter your current screen lock password, PIN, or pattern to continue. Due to my settings privacy, I'll show you my screenshot of that interface. Then tap Turn Off Password or Disable Screen Lock. If prompted, tap Disable or None to confirm your choice. Then tap on Remove. Once you've done that, the screen lock will be removed from your device. That's it! You've successfully removed the screen lock on your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.